Hello everyone, my name is Lakpat Naruka and I work as training manager with EBSCO. I welcome you to this tutorial in which I will explain you the use and functionality of the DynaMed app, which is known for improving patient outcomes by transforming clinical decision support. In this video, we will learn how simple it is to access the DynaMed on your smartphone. Go through the Google mobile app browser and select the URL shared by the team DynaMed. After selecting the URL, you would be directed on the DynaMed page where you will click on the link Launch DynaMed. Users can also create the bookmark for the app on their home screen. The Android users can create the bookmark and create the shortcut on their home screen. Select the right hand side ellipsis and scroll down to the option Add to Home Screen. Select the option Add to Home Screen and click Add to create a shortcut on the desktop. The iOS users can bookmark the link in the Safari browser. After selecting the link Launch DynaMed, users will be directed on OpenAthens login page where you need to enter the user ID and the password shared by the team DynaMed. Once consent is given, users will be directed on the DynaMed page and can confirm the personal sign-in by selecting the profile icon on the navigation bar right side. Users can now surf the platform and its features. Select Specialties to navigate the 36 specialties from the drop-down list. Drug A to Z. Get various drug classifications powered by IBM Micromedics. Drug Interactions. Check out the possible drug combinations from the Drug Interaction tab. Calculators. Check the medical calculators from the Calculator tab. Meet our experts from our Experts tab. Check the details for editorial overview, our evidence-based process, and what we publish. Search specific keywords from the search menu. Users can view content in set of languages. Check out for recent updates from the update option. Check out the profile icon on the top navigation bar on the right and update your personal account. For further assistance and support on training, please contact Mr. Ritesh Kumar and Mr. Lakpat Naruka. For account assistance, please contact Ms. Komal Shri at the given email address. Thank you all.